Hey guys, this is Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Hyperfunction LBX Emperor. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is the School Club special kit of the month, mainly because, well, it's basically, LBX February. If you guys didn't know by now, my friend TheKrowSama did a little theme build for this month called LBX February, and basically what you guys do is to do anything that's like, LBX related stuff. So it could be the game, it could be like reviews, unboxings, and more stuff. So yeah, so I didn't really expect to get this in the first place because my aunt was in Japan at the time. I was originally getting some Gunpla for myself, but then I said I was originally asking to get the Jupiter Hive Gundam from Japan, but when it came to like where I lived earlier, I was like, okay, I'll just get that first, and she asked me I told her you don't have to get anything in Japan, so it's fine, just gonna get saving like some souvenirs, that's about it. But she was kind enough to actually go to Japan, actually go to like a hobby store, or like a department store, as in the case this is a big camera, which is a department store. She was kind enough to go to the department store and look around and ask me what she wants. So she doesn't know much about Gundam actually, so I just said originally I initially wanted the high grade G40 of Gundam, which is I wanted that for quite a long time. Fortunately, it was sold out, and she just looked around, like, picked randomly, and I mean she didn't know what a Gundam is, so she assumed that the Emperor is a Gundam, and she just grabbed that and told me, yeah, we just want this. I said, fine, it's fine, I'll take it. In fact, I never built LBX for a very long time, so yeah, it kind of told me that went. So yeah. Let's go unboxing. So basically, this is you can call it like something similar to like a master grade in a way, except it is LBX, and yeah. I'm speaking of LBX. I am thinking of getting more LBX for LBX February. Granted that my exam ends on 27th, so I only have 2 days to work on this kit and possibly other kits as well. But unfortunately, this is okay, but I'll also be reviewing the my 2 other LBX I have in my collection if I can, and I wanted to get like the 3-in-1 set, which is the LBX Best Team set, which is on Carousel. But unfortunately, as of right now, the seller took a very long time to reply. Like I was asking the seller like I was asking the seller like last evening, like last afternoon, evening, around there. I asked them, is it still available? And she only replied to me at the middle of the night. I mean, while I was sleeping, like around 2 a.m. And I replied the next day in the morning, and so far she hasn't replied yet. So great. I really don't like that. I should have like asked my school clubs to actually order stuff, because they're doing like a mass bulk order. So I should have gone to the instead, but I mean it's $30 for that LBX team set, really. So I'll just gonna play the waiting game first and see how long I can last. If I really can't hold it, I'll probably say I really can't wait anymore. So I'll try my best to get the unboxing of that kit one, if I manage to make the deal, that is. So let's go unboxing. So yeah, I did expect to get this kit. So pretty interesting. And the funny thing is, LBX is not sold in Singapore where I live. I mean, they used to sell LBX when I was quite young, but for now, when they reissued kits and reissued Hyperfunction stuff, they did not have it in sale, not in the hobby store I'm going to. So it kind of sucks, really. But yeah, it's that. What you gonna do? What you gonna do is you can't do anything. But yeah, so unboxing. So basically, you have the skeletal frame, which is basically the inner frame of. It's like a master grade in a way, if I put it that way. And you just stuck the arm on top, and that's the Emperor. The Emperor looks like front and back with the very nice little mace it has, like reminds me of the Barbatos in some way. And he has a cape, like a mantle, which is cloth, unlike the original version, like the normal LBX, where you have to cut out from the manual, which is kind of ridiculous. And you get some marking stickers, and you get like some stuff you can do. On the side here, we have the more stuff, more details about the Emperor. Does not mention the price. I believe this is 2,500 yen, but my aunt got it from Big Camera at around 2,288 yen. So let's slightly cheaper, but it's alright. Let me get my knife real quick. I have not opened this kit yet. I got this kit around like mid-January, and I did not open it until LBX February came around. So it's the first of February, so I was like, it is time to actually do the unboxing. So yep, I'm really excited to see what's inside. I've not opened it just in case whatever goes wrong, but you know what? I'm really excited. Alright, so the box, let's see what's inside. First bag we have the A plate, which is a multi-color runner. You got the red, you've got the purplish gray, I guess, yeah. The yellow. It even tells you like what part this is supposed to be. Like it tells you like a little symbol right there, which is pretty nice. And yeah, and just like any LBX kit, it is you have touch gates, so it's not like the normal molecule you need nippers to cut. You can actually take out the parts with your bare hands. But you know, it's better if I personally do it with my nippers. So yeah. The inner frame with the skeletal frame, which is this is oh it's ABS. No, okay, ABS plastic. Okay, yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen a kit with ABS plastic with these touch gates, which is pretty interesting. I've never been LBX in about, how long was that? I last been LBX back in 2013, so that was about 7 years. Yeah, 7 years. I've not been LBX for 7 years, and this is a good comeback. Hyperfunction, the E plate, which is like more the armor parts, and the C plate, which is all the purple. It's pretty neat. And the last bag we have the sticker sheet, which stickers, they're alright, really. The cape, oh man, the cape looks really nice. It's not like the normal LBX, the normal version where it's like funny enough, if I'm not mistaken, the normal LBX stuff, I still remember that back in the day they used polycaps, but now they switched to KPS plastic for the joints, so that's pretty nice. Let's play around with. Usually I don't like KPS for some reason, but in this case I feel it's a little bit more better. I don't know, but okay. Manual, oh nice, it's stapled. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty interesting little kit. I mean, I've not personally built in hyperfunction in my life before. I wanted to get the Achilles back then, but I thought it's quite expensive at the time. So yeah, I mean LBX, it's a nice little kit to play with. So it's a nice little instruction booklet. It's all translated in English. I remember back then they didn't give English instructions. Oh, did they? I can't really remember. But they give English instructions, so that's pretty good. So yep, the assembly is pretty much, you know, very similar to like a real grade, in terms of construction and some massacre in some ways. But yeah, it's a very fun kit to play. I'm pretty excited to build this. I mean, I have school going on, so I can only build it after my exams. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Hyperfunction LBX Emperor. I'll get this building not immediately. Hopefully by the end of this month, and I will do some. I'll hopefully get some LBX reviews like somewhere in between February. Sorry, in between February. So hopefully you guys will know what I have those kits, and I'll get you back with the review at the end of the month. So yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.